Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make some simple mods like Ghost Monkey, Invis Monkey, and Fly Monkey. I guess I don't know some of the typical mods, but these mods are gonna be in here in this video just for teaching purposes and basically so y'all can learn a little bit. And it's pretty simple, so let's just get right into it with Ghost Monkey. So Ghost Monkey is public static void ghost monk, and then that, and then so right here we're gonna supposed to add a bool, so a bool primary, and then equals controller input polar dot instance dot right controller index touch. Controller right controller primary button or secondary, and then supposed to add a if statement. So basically, if comma that, and then primary equals true, yeah, and then boom boom boom. So here now we're gonna put as gorilla gorilla tagger dot instance gorilla tagger dot instance dot offline VR rig equals set to false, I believe. There's one thing missing here for our way. Oh, that enabled. And then we do the same thing with the other one. So basically here we add a else now. So a else gorilla tagger dot instance offline VR rig dot enabled. This one we're gonna equal it to true, and that should be it for Ghost Monkey. But I think there's one thing. Oh, this here. So this is gonna be pretty much kind of set to like right here probably. Okay, so there. This should work now. So Ghost Monkey, this is what makes it work. If you want it easier, basically this bool, just don't add the bool and like put this in there, and you don't have to code this. But I also have to explain this. This sucks. So controller input polar dot instance right controller secondary button. It's basically your secondary button on your controller, your Oculus controller. I don't have my controllers on me right now, so I don't know which button it is. I can't. No, I don't have my controllers. But yeah, so it should be right secondary button, meaning that the second button at the top, that's the one that you're supposed to click. It's not toggleable, so you have to like hold it, and if primary equals true, basically saying that primary or this bool that you just set, it's equal to true, making it work or function as it's supposed to do. Gorilla Tagger.instance.offline.brrig.enabled equals false. Your brrig is basically your Gorilla Tag monkey, and that's been set to false, so it will just like whenever you hold it, it will set it to false, and once it sets to false, it won't do anything. You basically can't move it. You have to move on your own. And this else Gorilla Tag offline brrig.enabled equals true. Basically, this makes your primary your gorilla be able to move again, and your player inside your gorilla. So yeah, that's pretty easy explanation from Ghost Monkey. Next thing we're gonna make is Invis Monkey. Invis Monkey is a bit harder, still pretty usable. So public static void. We're gonna make Fly Monkey. So Fly Monkey. Then that. Okay, so once we're here, Fly Monk, we're gonna put a if statement. So if controller input controller input polar.instance dot right grab, and then here now we're gonna do gorilla locomotion dot player dot instance dot transform equals transform dot position, and then plus equals gorilla locomotion dot player, I think. No, it was gorilla. Okay, gorilla dot locomotion dot player dot instance dot head collider dot transform dot forward, and then we are supposed to multiply that, so multiply by time dot delta time, and do that. And oh yeah, I forgot, we're supposed to have a multiplied by 15, and now we're supposed to add another one. So gorilla locomotion dot player dot instance dot get component rigid body, so rigid body, and then velocity sorry, and vector 3.0.
Advocated my phone when it's lit. Bar drive while I thought the whip. If I missed it, I'm spinning again. Spinning coffee, bending with my friends.
Now we're gonna
not making amends.
gorilla
Get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red? After I fuck it the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread. Tired of taking these men.
anti volume equal that to 80, and boom. Yeah, so that's how to make Fly Monkey. And basically here what it does is when you grab your right grab, so when you hold right grab on your grip controller, or your Oculus controller, it should basically fly you. So go to position. That's basically change your position to your head collider. Basically, whatever you face, it's gonna be facing it, or you're gonna be going. And then this is work for velocity. This is work for just hand tap volume. Really not useful, but it works. So let me just sit down. Alright, next one is public static void. Public static void fly monkey. Okay, so I forgot to set it to invis monkey. This is basically the same thing as this, so you can just, if you want, you can go ahead and copy that, paste it onto here. But here's where things actually do change. So the same button, but basically here on the dot enabled, we're gonna put something else. So delete all this, pretty much. So now you're gonna add head body offset dot y, I guess, or x. No, head body offsets dot y equals 180. I'm pretty sure. Okay. Well, I did it wrong, but so here just set that to 0. This set it to x. Yeah, now I remember. Here again, head body offset dot x equals negative 180. Okay, there. So from here, basically same thing. When you hold your right secondary button, it will do its thing. And then if primary equals true, same thing, blah blah blah. Here, head body offset negative 80. It basically kind of deepens you, so it puts you some like a random spot where people can't see you, but you can see them. Basically takes your player rig somewhere else and makes your makes your camera still be there, and your hand taps too, because your controllers. The thing is, also mostly know this because of I'm a game developer as well, so make games. But yeah, so here's the 3 basic mods on how to make them and explanation how to do it. I already also showed you how to make a tag or a gun. So basically public static void, I'm gonna just put it as invis gun. So here on your invis gun, there's gonna be some stuff that you might not understand. I'm gonna paste most of this into the Discord, so join it, it's linked down below. But right here you're supposed to add public static game object, pointer, and I'm gonna show you why. So if controller input polar instance the right verb, and then we're gonna make another if controller input polar dot instance dot right controller Index float 5, 0.5, 0.5. There. We're gonna basically just click enter, 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 and I'm gonna paste in one of my mods. So this basically, and so right here, paste that in, and this is basically your pointer. Here, if controller input pointer dot instance dot right grab controller index float, you're gonna put this. So that, and that's again basically. So this is a invis gun. Should pretty much set anyone invis, and this is pretty easy to make. I just showed y'all. Here's the code if y'all want to pause the video and quickly write it. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I teach y'all how to make Ghost Monkey, Fly Monkey, Invis Monkey, and Invis Gun. If you're probably questioning on how to make this, you know, from another button, you can just change this to whatever pretty much controller input. This two and this two. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let me see you on Instagram. Let me see if you got the guts.
Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red? After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread. Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather? I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rob for the members. Fuck a taser, my bitch got a Glock. I know she gon' up it if she spot a op. Too deep and I'm on a block. I'm tryna spot me a goon. On live, showing his wound. Why you keep lacking, go pick up a two. Free static, go done with the dude. Fresh, you got beat, lacking for food. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red? After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread. Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather? I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rob for the members. Big 4-1 niggas know how we get. Got the walk and the spray and the shit got his bent. Free static, Mr. Take that risk. I'm going live like we won't take that trip. Like I woke with the stick like a witch. We should've got him a lift. Head tap if I run in the twigs. Like yo chic, flip that whip. Shot stacks, you know you a bitch. Pick up a G and go catch you a hit. Beat out a bitch, he got beat with the clip. Bashed out tryna spot me a blick. Advocated my phone when it's lit. Barry driver, I throw out the whip. If I missed it, I'm spinning again. Spinning golf, we bend it with my friends. And no, we not making amends. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red? After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread. Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather? I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rob for the members.
Let me see you on Instagram. Let me see if you got the guts.
Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red? After I fuck it, the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread. Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather? I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass Pass her the knock, she gon' rock for the members. Fuck a taser, my bitch got a Glock. I know she gon' up it if she spot a op.
Too deep and I'm on a block. I'm tryna spot me a goon. On live, showing his wound. Why you keep lacking, go pick up a two. Free static, go done with the dude. Fresh, you got beat, lacking for food. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck, get the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rock for the members.
Big 4-1 niggas know how we get. Got the walk and the spray and the shit got his bent. Free static, Mr. Take that risk. I'm going live like we won't take that trip.
Like I woke with the stick like a witch. Beam should've got him a lift. Head tap if I'm running the twigs. Like yo chic, flip that whip.
Shot stacks, you know you a bitch. Pick up a G and go catch you a hit.
Beat out a bitch, he got beat with the clip. Masked out tryna spot me a blick.
Advocated my phone when it's lit. Bar driver, I thought off the whip. If I missed it, I'm spinning again. Spinning coffee, bending with my friends. And no, we not making amends. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck, get the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rock for the members.
Let me see you up on Insta real quick. Let me see if you got the guts.
Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck, get the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rock for the members. Fuck a taser, my bitch got a Glock. I know she gon' up it if she spot a op.
Too deep and I'm on a block. I'm tryna spot me a goon. On live, showing his wound. Why you keep lacking, go pick up a two. Free static, go done with the dude. Fresh, you got beat, lacking for food. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck, get the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rock for the members.
Big 4-1 niggas know how we get. Got the walk and the spray and the shit got his bent. Free static, Mr. Take that risk. I'm going live like we won't take that trip.
Like I woke with the stick like a witch. Beam should've got him a lift. Head tap if I'm running the twigs. Like yo chic, flip that whip.
Shot stacks, you know you a bitch. Pick up a G and go catch you a hit.
Beat out a bitch, he got beat with the clip. Masked out tryna spot me a blick.
Advocated my phone when it's lit. Bar driver, I thought off the whip. If I missed it, I'm spinning again. Spinning coffee, bending with my friends. And no, we not making amends. Bitch, get up and give me some head. Why would you leave me on red?
After I fuck, get the fuck on my bed. Bitch, no you cannot get no bread.
Tired of taking these meds. Who the fuck is Heather?
I know she gon' oot if I tell her. Pass her the knock, she gon' rock for the members.